Hello my dear students, I welcome you all in today's session. Today I am going to discuss exercise 4.1. So let's start with first question. See here, question number 1 here is, check whether the following are quadratic equations. Means here some equations are given and we have to find that whether these are quadratic equations or not, right? See. So let's start with the first part. See here, first part we are having is x plus 1 whole square equals to 2x minus 3, right? Just we have to simplify it. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and it is equal to 2x minus 6. See, this 2x will be cancelled out, or you can say x square, this minus 6 come in the left side, so it will be plus 6, 1 plus 6, that is 7. See, now we have to tell whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So to find it is a quadratic equation or not, first of all what we are going to see? First of all we will see the power of the variable. Which is the variable? Variable is x, right? So we are going to see the power of it. It is 2, right? So if the power of variable, maximum power of variable is 2, it means what? It is a quadratic equation. Is it clear to all guys? If the maximum power of variable is 2, that means what? It is a quadratic equation. See, what is the standard form of quadratic equation? So you can write it is a quadratic equation. Yes, yes, it is a quadratic equation. So guys, it is clear to all of you that in which case we are telling that it is a quadratic equation. So for quadratic equation, the power of the variable, that is x, it should be maximum 2. If the maximum power is 2, in that case we are going to tell that it is a quadratic equation. Is it clear to all guys? Okay. So the first part we have done. So coming to the next part, B part C, part 2. Second part we are having is, see, I am solving the second part. I think you can also do. It's so simple. X square minus 2x, and here it is given minus 2, 3 minus x, right? So for telling that this is a quadratic equation or not, first of all we have to simplify it, right? Whenever any expression is given, first of all what we are going to do is we have to simplify, and then after at the finally we see that if the maximum power of the variable is coming to, in that case it is a quadratic equation, otherwise it is not. Is it clear to all guys? Okay. So just see here, x square minus 2x, I am simplifying it, and here it is minus 6 plus 2x. So bring all the terms in left side, so it will be x square minus 2x, it is minus 4x minus 6, if will come in left side it will be plus 6 equals to 0. Now see guys, what is variable here? Variable is x, right? See, and what is the power of variables? In x square it is 2, in x it is having 1, right? See, so what is the maximum power of the variable? In 2 or 1, which in 2 and 1, which one is the maximum? So 2, right? It means what? Maximum power is here 2, it is a quadratic equation. So if in any equation, if the maximum power is 2, in that case we are going to tell that it is a quadratic equation. So this is also a quadratic equation. Yes, so you write yes, it is a quadratic equation. Is it clear to all guys? Okay. Coming to the third part. So third part we have, see, third is also simple, you can do by your own. See, it is x minus 2 and here is x plus 1, right. Here is x minus 1 and here is x plus 3. Okay, just we have to simplify. So it will be x square, this is plus minus 2 plus 1 and this is minus 2, here is the x, right, equals to, see here, this is x square, this is plus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3, right. So just simplify it. So it will be x square minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus, so minus x minus 2 and here it will be x square plus 2x minus 3. See here, x square cancel out, minus x and here it is 2x, so it will be minus 3x. See, here it is minus 3x and here it is minus 2 plus 3, so it will be plus 1 equals to 0. Is it clear, guys? So what is variable here? Variable is x and what is the power of x? It is 1. See, here the power of variable is 1, so maximum power of the variable is 1, but in which case we are telling that it is a quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, the maximum power of the variable should be 2, but here it is only 1. Are you getting or not? So here the power of variable is only 1, it means what? It is not a quadratic equation. Is it clear, guys? So whenever, first of all, any expressions are given, first of all what we have to do? We have to simplify it, and if we are saying that the maximum power of the variable is coming to, in that case only we are going to tell that it is a quadratic equation, otherwise it is not a quadratic equation. Is it clear to all, guys? So coming to the fourth question, fourth part, I think up to 3 part we all are clear about it. So coming to the fourth part, see. So fourth part we are having is, see, x minus 3 and here is 2x plus 1, here is x multiplied by x plus 5. Okay, guys, just to simplify it, x multiplied by 2x, it will be 2x square, x multiplied by 1, it will be x, minus 3 multiplied by 2x, it is minus 6x and here it is minus 3. Is it clear, guys? Here it is x square and here it is 5x. Okay, so what we have to do? Just simplify it. It is becoming 2x square, x minus 6x, it is 5x and here it is minus 3. See here, it is x square and it is 5x. Taking all terms in the same side, see, if we bring x square in left side, then it will become 2x square minus x square, it will become x square minus 5x minus 5x minus 10x and this is minus 3 equals to 0, right. So guys, see here, what is the variable here? Variable is x, right. So what are the powers of variables? That we'll have to see. Here is a equation in which the power of variable is, in x square it is 2, in 10x what is the power of x? X power is 1, right. See, so what is the, in 2 or 1, which one is the maximum power? That is 2. See, in this equation the maximum power of variable is 2. It means what? It is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation, because once we are getting that the maximum power of the variable is 2, it means that we are going to make the inference from here, we are going to make the conclusion that yes, it is a quadratic equation. Is it clear to all, guys? Okay, so the next parts we are going to see in the next video. So keep watching and also do the comments that how is the video. If you don't have subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and also make the comments. So the next part we are seeing in the next video. Keep watching. Thank you guys.